The preparation for a vacation can sometimes be more work than the vacation itself. Traveling can be such a hassle. It can take up a lot of your time. Planning a trip requires a lot of things to consider. It is almost overwhelming. For example, say that you really want to go on a trip and visit your friends in another country. To get there, you have to plan a flight, rent a car, and reserve a hotel room, which turned out to be a lot of paperwork. One of the things to keep in mind is whether you are traveling to a hot or cold location, and what type of accommodation or activities you will be doing. You should always think about safety first, and be sure to plan ahead of time. For example, where will you go if you and your family become separated? Everyone must know when to go in a moment of necessity. Once you know your schedule for the trip, then you'll know what you're doing in advance and won't miss out on any fun. When you're planning your trip, you can map out the places you want to go and keep a list of all the things you want to see, do, and eat at these locations. Everyone wants to have a relaxing trip. As you're preparing to go on your vacation, here are some useful tips to make sure your trip is as hassle-free as possible. Make sure you know what to expect from the weather on the day of your trip. That way, you can pack appropriately and not have to worry about it. It's also a good idea to book your trip ahead of time. That way, you won't have to worry about getting a spot. Furthermore, always bring a companion. If you want to relieve some stress and enjoy your trip, My City Vacations is a site that wants to make traveling easy for you. Once you've decided on where you'd like to go, we can help you plan the perfect trip. We have information on the top hotels, flights, restaurants, and even car rentals. You can also check out travel inspiration on our website and add it to your bucket list of the places you want to visit. We've got you covered for all your travel needs.